What is the meaning of telescope? What is the use of microscope? Yesterday I discussed microscope is used to see very small objects. Okay? What is the use of telescope? Telescope is used for distant objects, or telescope is used to see the far objects. Okay, what is the use of telescope, Nana? To see the far objects. This is the best use of astronomical telescope. What is the use of telescope? To see the telescope is used to see the far objects. Now I discuss in what is the meaning of astronomical telescope. Astronomical telescope consists of, look here all of you, astronomical telescope consists of two convex lenses. Look here all of you. Astronomical telescope consists of two convex lenses. Here object is there. Nearer the object, the lens is called objective lens. Here eye is there. ఇక్కడ చూస్తుంటాం. The lens nearer to the eye, this lens is called eye lens. Objective lens focal length f0, eye lens focal length fe. Once again, objective lens focal length is f0, eye lens focal length is fe. Okay, to see these two lenses, which is larger aperture? Malik, this is the larger aperture. Simply, this is the larger focal length, this is the smaller focal length. Yesterday, please review of compound microscope. Compound microscope, this lens is smaller, this lens is larger. Please review of compound microscope. In the situation, look here. For example, what is the use of telescope? To see the far objects. Look here. To see the far objects. Simply, these rays are parallel. Its meaning is object coming from infinity. This is objective lens, so this can be considered as a U0. U0 is infinity. Object at infinity, according to lens property, image formed at focus. Image formed at focus. Simply, its length is here. Object at infinity, image formed at focus. Simply, this is f0. Nana, lens properties. Object infinity, image formed at focus. Object focus, image formed at infinity. Keep in your mind. In the situation, this IC serves as a image for this lens. This IC serves as a object for eye lens. This IC serves as a object for eye lens. In the situation, rays coming, look here all of you, the ray passing through the optic center not deviate, convex lens converge the rays, here eye is there, look here. In the situation, it will be extended back, it will be extended back, here this is the final image. Final image is I1 G1. Look here. This is the object. In the situation, object is here. Image is here. Both are inverted. నువ్వు హెడ్ అని చూడాలనుకుంటే ఆ బాడీ ఏమైతే తల క్రిందులుగా కనిపిస్తుంది. సింప్లీ the final image is inverted, and again this is virtual image, okay nana. 1 minute nana. ఇప్పుడు ఫార్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కి ద బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సన్ అండ్ స్టార్ నన్న. ఇది స్క్రీన్ మీద పడుతుంది. సన్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే దాని ఇమేజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, ఇంత ఉంటుంది. అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ దిస్ ఇమేజ్ ఈజ్ డిమినిష్డా మ్యాగ్నిఫైడా, డిమినిష్డ్. సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఈజ్ స్మాల్, compared to object. Look here man. In the situation, this is the object, this is the image. Telescope, what is the use? To see far object. This object is suppose sun. The image caught on the screen, simply compared to this object, image size is diminished. తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈజ్ వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్, ఇన్వర్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్, డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్. వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్, డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్, అగైన్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇలా ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ ఇలా ఫామ్. ఓకే? ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్, లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Directly I give because this is not a IP syllabus, only for objective purpose. In the situation, magnifying power. Simply distance of the image by distance of the object. Size of the image by size of the object. Angle subtended by the image by angle subtended by the object. This is the magnifying power nana. In the situation, magnifying power means distance of the image by distance of the object, size of the image by size of the object. Finally we get final solution is F0 by UE. This is the magnifying power formula. What is the magnifying power formula? F0 by UE. In the situation, to write minus. This minus indicate object is here, final image is here. Simply the negative indicate in the situation object and image both are inverted. Okay, this is the important formula nana. This is equation number 1. What is the magnifying power in the astronomical telescope? Minus F0 by UE. Next, what is the length of the telescope? Yesterday also I discussed. Length of the telescope is nothing but the distance between two lenses. In the situation, this is F0. Look here, this IZ acts as a image for this lens, This IZ serves as a object for islands. Object distance denoted by U. Image distance denoted by V. Okay? In the situation, L means distance between two lenses. What is the distance between two lenses? F naught plus UE. This is the equation number 2. This is the formula for length of the telescope. Length of the astronomical telescope. Do you look here again? Formed. Final image formed near point. This is the condition. Simply final image formed near point. Here VE consider as a D. VE consider as a D. In the situation UE can be calculated. What is the length equation? 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Here U indicate object distance, V indicate image distance. For example, I take islands FE, VE, UE. Okay, islands none. This islands. Okay. This islands ki object is IZ, image is I1 G1. Both are same side, both are left side. So here minus, here minus. Lens ki object IZ, image I1 G1. Both are left side. We take minus 1 by FE equal to, look here last step, minus 1 by. What is the VE according to condition? D. For normal eye, D value 25 centimeters plus 1 by UE minus other side plus. Finally, we get 1 by FE plus 1 by D. Is right side 1 by UE. Finally, write UE value. Maths వచ్చు కదా మీకు డైరెక్ట్ గా రాసేస్తున్నా. FE D by D plus FE. LCM నాన్న LCM కట్టేసి రాసేసాను. What is the UE value? FE D by D plus FE. D plus FE. What is the first equation? We know that magnifying power formula in the astronomical telescope is minus F naught by UE. అందుకే UE కనుక్కున్నాం. What is the UE? Here write UE. FE into D whole by D plus FE. Finally we get F naught by FE into 1 plus D by FE. This is the final solution of the problem. What is the magnifying power formula? Formula in terms of final image is near point. What is the formula? Minus F naught by FE 1 plus D by FE. Here substitute nana 1 by U value. మీకు అర్థమైపోయింది. డైరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాడు బోర్డు పట్టట్లా. ఏం చేస్తాను నేను? ఇటు చూడండి. సెకండ్ వన్. What is the length of the telescope? Astronomical telescope. Equation to గుర్తుందా? F naught plus UE. What is the UE value? DFE, sorry, FE into D whole by D plus FE. Igo ide. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. What are the conditions? Final image formed at near point. Far point. Okay, final image formed at far point. Look here, all of you. In the situation, final image is formed at far point means final image due to islands, it's taken as infinity. Final image formed at far point over normal adjustment, that is called best example star. Star's final image formed at infinity. What is the length equation? 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Here this is the island's nana. Object is left side, image is left side. Both are left side. Here minus, minus of minus plus. This is islands FE, VE, UE. But according to condition, case 2, final image formed at far point over infinity over normal adjustment. In the situation, VE write as infinity, 1 by infinity 0. Finally we get UE value is FE. In the situation, what is the equation 1 magnifying power formula? Magnifying power formula is minus F naught by UE write as FE here. This minus indicate here object and image both are inverted. Equation 2 చెప్పండి. Magnifying power తర్వాత length of the telescope. What is the length of the telescope? Length of the telescope is nothing but the distance between two lenses. Simply, what is the distance between two lenses? F naught plus UE. According to condition, UE write as FE. Very important. This is 6th equation. These 5th equation, 6th equation, when applicable, final image formed at far point. Please write. Terrestrial telescope is nothing but the astronomical telescope. This is only extension of astronomical telescope. This is called correction of the astronomical telescope. Because astronomical telescope, object is here, image is here. Both are inverted, so the image cannot seen clearly. So terrestrial telescope to rectify the correction of the object, because here object is here, image is here, both are erected. Look here, all of you. This is called objective lens. Objective lens focal length is F naught. This is called erected lens. Look here, all of you. This is called last lens. What is the last lens? Eye lens. Eye lens. Objective lens focal length f0. Erected lens focal length f. Eye lens focal length fe. Look here, all of you. In the situation, terrestrial telescope consists of three lenses. The first lens is objective lens. This lens is erected lens. This lens is eye lens. Eye lens. Objective lens, erected lens. This lens is nothing but the eye lens. Here how many lenses are there? Three lenses are there. Terrestrial telescope consists of three lenses. One is objective lens, other one is erected lens, other one is eye lens. In the situation, here in the situation, generally what is the use of telescope? To see the far objects. Simply, object is at infinity, u0. Here it will be convergence. This is image. Object at infinity, image formed at focus. This is f0. Focal length of the objective lens. Here now, this is the lens. This acts as a object for this lens. This serves as a object for erected lens. According to diagram, this distance is 2f. Object at 2f, image also at 2f. Image also at 2f. Here. Nana, object at 2f, image also 2f. Once again I repeat. This size are equal. Here no change in image size. Only change here. That means erect. Nana, invert chesam. Okay na? So this lens is called erected lens. Object at 2f. Image also at 2f. Okay? In the situation, look here the ray diagram. Here Nana. Here. In the situation, final image is here. This is the object is here. According to this situation, both object and image both are erected by using this lens. In the situation, final image formed at infinity. Simply look here, Nana, all of you. Final image formed at infinity. Object at focus. This is eye lens, so it write fe. ఇప్పుడు మైండ్లో కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Object at focus, image infinity. Object infinity, image formed at focus. Okay, object at focus, image formed infinity, vice versa. Object at infinity, image formed at focus. Do you understand? Object infinity, image formed at focus. Object focus, final image formed at infinity. Okay? In the situation here, object at 2f, image also 2f. Do you understand? These points keep in your mind. Here I take the condition is final image. Ekkada form ayindi? Final image formed at infinity. This condition is called as far point. This is also called as normal adjustment. Look here in the situation. What is the magnifying power of the terrestrial telescope? Directly I give F naught by Fe. In the situation, F naught is focal length of the objective lens, Fe is focal length of the eye lens, plus indicate object and image both are erected. And what is the length of the telescope? Length of the telescope means total distance between lenses. Here F naught, 2F, 2F, Fe. Tell me in your own way. Sai Malik, Nagendra Prasad. F naught, Saket. 2F plus 2F, 4F plus Fe. This is the distance between lenses, Nana. This is called as length of the terrestrial telescope. What is the difference between astronomical and terrestrial? Astronomical use 2 lenses, terrestrial use 3 lenses. Third lens is only erecting lens. Simply object is here, image also here. Both object and image erected. In the situation, what is the magnifying power formula? Plus F naught by Fe. What is the distance between lenses or length of the telescope is F naught plus 4F plus